Hello Team Healthy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make oat flour that is a healthier substitute to the all-purpose flour that can be replaced in your baked goods. So relax and sit back while I show you how to make this. This is Avon and Lifestyle, and on this channel I share with you healthy recipes, everything about wellness, mommy life and hair care. So for this oat flour, we're going to be using old-fashioned oats. In my previous video where I showed how to make oat swallow, I discussed extensively about the benefits of oats and the different types of oats, and a guide to which one to pick while you go grocery shopping. So I'm going to leave a link below in the comment section and also the description box just for you to avail yourself of that video and educate yourself. But notwithstanding, I'm still gonna share a lot of information about oats in this video. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using old-fashioned oats because this is mostly available in the grocery store, and not just that, it is also whole grain. I prefer it to the 1-minute oats or the quick oats because it has a higher fiber content and it is the least processed. Okay, so you may be wondering, why do we even need to make oat flour? Why do I need to substitute it with all-purpose flour or something else in the grocery store that I'm already used to? Now, most people who have intolerance to gluten will find that this oat flour will be nicer and milder to their digestive system and give them far less symptoms, maybe even 0 to none symptoms. So this is really healthier. And then oat flour as well has a higher fiber and protein content, in relation to fat contents when you're comparing it to other flours that you may get in the grocery store. Okay, so oat flour is whole grain. It is good for you, for your heart, for your digestive system, and it also has great benefits in controlling diabetes and preventing heart disease. And I'm going to explain this to you. As you all know, my name is Avon. I am a registered nurse and a midwife. I'm also a public health nurse as well, in Nigeria and also in the United States. So while I make videos like this, I'm so passionate about health and wellness and the ability to use food to heal our bodies, because I believe that God has provided us with so many herbs, plants and seeds and roots and all that we can use only if we avail ourselves and just know how to use them to heal our bodies. Now, oats in itself has a soluble fiber. Now this is very powerful. I'm going to tell you the name. It contains beta-glucan. That is the name of the soluble fiber. But this soluble fiber helps to promote a healthy gut bacteria. So that means it helps you to fight off and prevent any off feeling you might be feeling in your intestines, or just helps you, increases the colonies or the amount of the good bacteria that would help you ward off and fight off bacteria that might cause gastroenteritis or any other form of conditions in the intestines that we don't want, that can cause diarrhea, vomiting and any of that. So it helps to promote the healthy gut bacteria. It also helps to reduce blood glucose levels, like I said, and it's good and beneficial to those who have type 2 diabetes. Now, the low density lipoproteins, which is the bad cholesterol that we don't want. This is the bad cholesterol that increases our risk for heart attacks and strokes. This oats has the ability to reduce it. Okay, it binds to it and excretes it out of our system, which is really powerful. Okay, and mind you, oats also has a low glycemic index. That is why most nutritionists or doctors or providers would advise their patient to take a lot of oats, because low glycemic index just means that it increases the blood sugar level slowly. It doesn't just spike up the blood sugar, just like refined carbs, that can easily increase the blood sugar. So this is really healthy, guys. I really encourage you to indulge in this. It can be replaced with your all-purpose flour for your recipes. It might not be as elastic or give a certain structure that you may want because it lacks gluten, but it's really nice and healthy for you. And thank you so much for watching this video. If this video has blessed you in any way, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.